Yes. So guys, today it's our revision lecture. So whichever topic you want me to revise, you can tell me. So as discussed in the last lecture that we are going to start with some logarithm questions, right? Yeah? Okay, fine. Let's start with some logarithmic questions. I hope you are aware about the basic rules of logarithm, or you want me to do the revision of that. Suppose it is asked to prove this. Okay? Now the LHS and RHS both are equal. You can solve this. This is easy for you, or you want me to solve this? I just want to know from what level I need to start. Okay, fine. Now see, on the left hand side you can write LHS equals what you have, log of 1 by root 3, right? Now since there is no base over here, we can consider a natural base, that is E. But no need to write that. Now after this, can I write it as log of 1 by 3 to the power 1 by 2? I can write this. Yeah. After this is again log of, can I write this as 3 and then power minus 1 by 2? This can be written, no? Yeah. Now this minus 1 by 2 can be taken backside. So that is minus 1 by 2 into log 3. And that's what your RHS. Got it? Yeah. I'll take some more similar sum. Now see over here. What is given? 4 log root 8 is given, right? But root 8 can be written as 2 to the power this root of 2 to the power 3 I can write. Okay. After that minus 3 log half. Okay. 3 log half is there. So can I write it as 2 to the power minus 1? Yeah. This whole divided by 3 minus 6 log 5 to the power 1 by 2. I can write this. After this is 4 log 2 to the power 3 by 2 I can write. Yeah. Minus 3 log to the power 2 to the power minus 1 upon 3 as it is, minus, if I take this half on the left hand side, it will be 6 into half into log 5, right? After this 3 by 2 can also be taken on the left hand side. This minus 1 can also be taken on the left hand side. So what you get, 4 into 3 by 2 into log 2 minus 3 into minus 1 into log 2. This whole divided by 3 minus this and this gets cancelled. 3 log 5, right? This can be cancelled. This will be 2. Now finally what you get, 2 into 3, that is 6 log 2 minus minus into minus is plus 3 log 2 upon, in this both 3 can be taken as common, 1 minus log 5, right? Now in this both I can take, yeah, what you are saying? No, you cannot subtract because this is 3 log 5 and this is 3 only, no? So you can take 3 as common. Okay. Now once you take 3 as common, you can take 3 as common from the numerator as well. So what you get? 2 log 2 plus log 1 log 2 upon 3 into 1 minus log 5. Yeah. This 3 and 3 can be cancelled. 2 log 2 plus 1 log 2 will be equal to how much? Exactly. 3 log 2 upon 1 minus log 5. Means I did not understand. Acha, this, yeah, we are not doing log 2. See, this is different. If it is log 2 plus log 3, then we could have written like this, log 2 into 3. But what we are doing is 2 log 2 and this log 2. Suppose if you consider this as 2 apples plus 1 apple will give you 3 apples, no? So the same way. 2x plus x, that gives you 3x. So without no need to solve that logarithm, we can write 3 log 2. Fine. After this 3 can be taken on the right hand side. So finally it will be log 2 to the power 3 upon 1 minus log 5. This can also be the answer, huh? But if the answer is, if they want something different in the RHS, so 2 to the power 3 log 8. So you got it? This is what your answer is. You can even more simplify it. See, some more can be simplified in this. This 1 can be written as, this is log 8 as it is. This 1 can be written as log 10 to the base 10, because log 10 to the base 10 is 1. Okay, minus log 5. Okay, the natural base over here is 10. Now this can be further written as log 8, and log a minus log b is log a upon b. So that is log 10 by 5. It depends. It depends whether they have asked you to prove something or if they have only asked to simplify. Then this much is sufficient. But if it is asked to something proof is required, then this is log 8 upon log of 10 by 5, that is log of 2. Now again, this both are in division, that is log 8 divided by log 2. So log 8 divided by log 2 is how much? Log of, no, it is division, no, so you cannot. This completely fine. This can also be your final answer. Okay. Now I'll go to the one more sum from the logarithm. Now they have asked to write in a single logarithmic form. Okay, in these questions they have asked write as a single logarithm. Now if they ask you to write in a single logarithm, for the first one 2 plus log 6 it is. Okay, now what you will do, we know that log of 10 to the base 10 equals 1. Okay, this we know, right? So to simplify it, what we will do, this 2 into log 10 to the base 10 I can do, no? Yeah, because that is the value of that is 1. And this is log 6. Even if the base is not written, the base is 10 always. Okay. After this 2 can be taken in power. Log 10 power 2 plus log 6 power, nothing in power. Log 6. The base 10 is there. Even if you don't write, that's fine. Now, this can be written as log 10 to the power 2 means log 100 plus log 6. Yeah. Now log a plus log b is log a into b, which gives you log of 600. This is what your answer. Got it? Now, similarly, the first one is solved. Please solve the second one and write it in the simplest form. In a single logarithm, you have to write. As we have written over here, it is in the single logarithm, no? So the same way you have to write the second question in a single logarithm. Over here, write an equivalent logarithmic statement. You need to write them in a logarithmic statement. Now, this is 2 raised to 3 equals 8. What I know, this 8, I know that it is 2 raised to 3 is 8. If I take log on both the sides, log to the base 2 I will take on both the sides. Yeah, any basis. Any basis. But why I'm taking to the base 2, that's required. See, I'll tell you. What I have done, log base 2 on both the sides. Now, this 3 can be taken backside. Yes or no? Now, log 2 to the base 2 is 1. So, that is 3 into 1 equals log of 8 to the base of 2. Finally, it is 3 equals log of 8 to the base 2. Got it? yes. That's what. See over here, I'll solve it. What I will do, I'll take log base 3 on both sides. Done. Now what I will do, I will take this power can be taken backside. 2 log 3 to the base 3 equals log 9 to the base 3. Now log 3 to the base 3 is 1. We know it. We have to express in the logarithmic form for this. See, what does this logarithmic form states? Do you know what is log 8 to the base 2? What is the actual meaning of log 8 to the base 2? Do you know or you don't know? You don't know. See, log 8 to the base 2, that means what? 2 to the power of what gives 8? Are you getting it? 2 to the power of what gives 8? That will be the answer. If I write, now you can give the answer also. If I write log 81 to the base 3, what will be the answer? That's right. 3 to the power of what gives 81? That is 4. So log 81 to the base 3 will give you 4. Even if we want to find this value, mathematically if we want to find what is log 81 to the base 3, if I say this is equals to x, if I want to solve it, I will say what I will do, I will take it as x. After that, log of 3 and this 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 equals x. This 4 goes backside. Log 3 to the base 3 is how much? 1. 4 equals x. Got it? Log 64 to the base 2. How you have to read it? If it is written log b to the base a, how do we read? Log b to the base a. Okay, log ab, will not say it as log ab. Log ab means this. And there will be something in base. You can write log, you can say log ab to the base c. Now see over here, I will solve again. Nidhi, your answer was right. I'll solve the other question. Yeah, 7 raised to 0 will be equal, anything raised to 0 is 1. Now what I will do, this 0 taking on the backside, and log 7 to the base 7 is what? 1 equals log 1 to the base 7. And 0 into 1 is 0 only, and that is log 1 to the base 7. Oh, sorry, this is 0. This would be your answer. See again, 7 raised to what gives you 1? Exactly, that's what the answer. Got it? Yeah? Okay. Now, the next question, you have to write an exponential statement for the given questions. Means now they have given in the logarithmic form, you have to convert in the exponential form. Fine? Yeah, now let us do, I'll do the first one. What is given? Log of 1000 to the base 10 equals 3. What I will do, this 1000 can be written as log of 10 to the power 3 and to the base 10 equals 3. Right? This 3 can be taken backside. No, no. We'll not do in this way. No. What we will do, see over here. Log of 1000 to the base 10 is there, no? What I will do, log 10 to the base 10 I can multiply because the value of that is 1. Yeah. After that, log of 1000 to the base 10 equals, can I take this power on over here? Log of 10 to the base 10, 10 to the power 3. Yeah. After this, log base 10 can be cancelled on both the sides. What gives? What it gives? This is what the exponential form. Got it? Yeah. I want you guys to solve this one. Similarly, can you solve this h? See, what is given? Log of 1 by 3 to the base 3 equals minus 1. To write in the exponential form, what I need to do, I will take log 3 to the base 3 on the right hand side. Minus 1 is there. Log of 3 to the base 3. Fine. After this, log of 1 by 3 to the base 3. This minus 1 can be taken in power. This log 3 and log 3 can be cancelled. Log base 3 can be cancelled. What do you get? 1 by 3 equals 3 to the power minus 1. Got it? Yeah. Please solve h. Yeah. See, log 25 to the base root 5 it is. Over here, what I will do, I'll multiply with log root 5 to the base root 5. The value of this is also 1. Yeah, that's why I can multiply. What I will do in the next step, this 4 will go in the power. To the base root 5. Now this log root 5 can be cancelled. 25 equals root 5 to the power 4. Got it? Yeah. If they ask find the values of, find the values of. Now see, 2 to the what is the meaning of this? 2 to the power of what is 64? Okay, but if we need to find what is the value of this, what we will do? Log of 64 to the base 2. Let's equate this to x. Okay, then we'll find the value of x. What we will do? Log of 64 to the base 2 equals, I will multiply with log 2 to the base 2 because the value of that is 1. After this x will be taken in power. Log 64 to the base 2 equals log of 2 to the power x to the base 2. Then this and this will get cancelled. 64 equals 2 to the power x. Now 2 to the power of what is 64? Yeah. 64 if I factorize, 2 3s are 2s are, 2 1s are 6s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. 2 raised to 6 equals 2 raised to x. Therefore, x equals 6. Therefore, what I can say? Therefore, what is the value? Log 64 to the base 2. Log 64 to the base 2 is 6. Got it? Similarly, solve the other question which you have over here, that is log of 9 to the base 3. Solve this. Now over here, find k given the consecutive terms of the geometry are in a geometric sequence. You know how to solve this? Bhumi? No? See, what they have given, the given terms are in geometric progression. If I say A, comma B, comma C are in geometric progression, are in GP, then what is the meaning of that? That they have a common ratio. That is, B upon A will be equal to C upon B. This upon this will be equal to this upon this. And that gives a common ratio, right? Similarly over here, these three terms are in geometric progression. That means these three, that is k, 2, 6 are in GP. That means they will also give a common ratio. That is this upon this gives this upon this. That is 2 upon k will be equal to 6 upon 2. And then cross multiply. So 2 into 2 equals 6k. So k equals 4 by 6. So k equals 2 by 3. Got it? Yeah. Similarly, if these are the three terms which are in geometric progression, can you solve? Yeah, please try. Nidhi, you know how to solve? Yeah, that's right. See, Bhumi, see over here, I'll solve for you. What did you get finally, Bhumi? K square plus 7k equals what? Arre, there should be something in equal, no? Since you have solved the equation, no? Fine. I'll solve. See over here. Since they are in geometric progression, so this upon this will be equal to this upon this. That is 3k upon k will be equal to 10k plus 7 upon 3k. Fine. K can be cancelled. 3 equals this into this. 3 into 3k equals 10k plus 7. 3 into 3k is 9k equals 10k plus 7. Yeah. So this 7 comes on this side. This k goes on that side. So minus 7 equals 10k minus 9k. 10k minus 9k is k. K equals minus 7. Got it? Okay. Next. Next type of sum. Yeah. Now, as you said that you don't know how to solve this type of question. Find the general term un of a geometric sequence which has, if the third term is given as this and the fourth term is given as this, you have to find what? You have to find the general term. First, what is the general term of a geometric progression? An equals or Tn equals what in a geometric progression? Yeah, ar raised to n minus 1, right? This is what the general term. Now, what is given? The third term is given, that is 16, and the fourth term is given, that is 48. You need to find what? You need to find the general term. How do we write the general term? Just a moment. Okay. Now, the third term is 16. What we know, un equals a into r raised to n minus 1. So u3 will be equal to a into r raised to 3 minus 1. But u3 is how much? 16. 16 equals a into r raised to 2. Similarly, again u4 equals a r raised to 4 minus 1. But u4 is how much? 48 equals a r raised to 3. Now if I say this is my equation 1 and equation 2, if I divide both the equation, then dividing 1 and 2, so that is 16 upon 48 equals ar square upon ar cube. Can I write this? Yeah. Now dividing both of them, you'll get the ratio. A and A will get cancelled. R square, the cube will get cancelled. Only 1 by R is remaining. This can be cancelled in the table of 4. 4 fours are, 4 12s are, 12s are, yeah. 1 upon R. Again, 1 upon R equals 1 upon 3. Finally, R equals 3. Got the ratio? Yeah, we got the ratio. Now what we need? We need to find un, no? Now once you got the value of R, R is what? 3. You can put in any equation. Let's put in the equation 1. 16 equals AR square. Right? So 16 equals A into 3 square. 16 equals 9A. So A equals 16 by 9. Can we divide them? Simplify? We cannot simplify it. Yeah, it will be 16 upon 9. So that means the first term is 16 upon 9 only. Fine. Now what you need? Yeah, anything you're asking, Bhumi? Okay. So this is what your first term of the geometric progression, and this is your common ratio. Once you get the first term and the common ratio, you can find any term. Now what you need? You need the nth term. The nth term is given by ar raised to n minus 1. So nth term can be written as this a is 16 upon 9 and r is how much? 3. 3 to the power n minus 1. Fine. So this is 16, but this 9 can be expressed in the power of 3. Yeah. So 3 to the power n minus 1 upon 3 to the power 2 I can write. Anywhere means you're asking or you're informing, means I did not understand. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. If it is A into B upon C, you can write A into B upon C. That's fine. That's completely fine. Okay. Now this is 16 into this, both are in power. A raised to m upon a raised to n. N is what? A raised to m minus n. So 3 raised to n minus 1 minus 2. Fine. Finally, what we get? 16 into 3 raised to n minus 3. This is what your answer. This is what the nth term. Got it? Even this can be the answer. Also, this can also be the answer. Even if you write up to here, your answer is right. But if they ask you to prove, then maybe you have to write this. Clear? Now I want you guys to solve um, this one. Don't get anything while solving. When I'm solving, please ask that question. Okay? See over here. What is given? The third term is 3 and the seventh term is 3 by 4. What we know, the nth term equals a r raised to n minus 1, right? So the third term will be written as a r raised to 3 minus 1, but the third term is 3 only, so a r raised to 2. Similarly, the seventh term is written as a into r raised to 7 minus 1, but the seventh term is 3 by 4, which will be equal to a into r raised to 6. If this is my 1 and this is my 2, let's divide both the equation. So 3 equals 3 upon 3 by 4 equals ar square upon ar raised to 6. That's fine. See, I'll solve both way. Even if I do it in that way, 3 by 4 upon 3 equals ar raised to 6 upon ar square. Both ways will work. Both ways will work. See, I'll solve from both the method. This a and a will get cancelled. Hello, Nidhi, you're there? Hello, Nidhi, you're there? Fine. See, this 3 into this 3 upon 4 is in division. So if it comes in the numerator, it will be 4 by 3 equals, and this r square and this is r raised to 6. What will remain? R raised to 4. This 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 4 equals 1 upon r raised to 4. So r raised to 4 equals 1 upon 4. So what will r equals? Yeah, Bhumi and Nidhi. 2 to the power 2 is how much? 4. And root 2 to the power 2 is how much? 2. Root 2 to the power 4 is how much? 4. So 1 upon root 2 to the power 4 will give you how much? Yeah, the answer of this is 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 can be written as 1 upon root 2 to the power 4. So r equals, but over here this can be plus and minus, because even if you take plus 1 upon root 2, then the answer is 1 upon 4. Even if you take minus 1 upon root 2 and the power 4, you'll again get 1 upon 4. So the answer can be both plus or minus 1 upon root 2. That means your ratio is plus minus 1 upon root 2. Got it? Fourth root of 1 by 4, right? Yeah, the same thing then. It is the same thing. Even if I write like this, r, but you are using calculator, no? Yeah, don't use the calculator. Then you will not get the ratio properly. Okay, you are using calculator. That's the problem. Okay, the fourth root of 1 by 4 can be easily found. That is simple calculation. Will be equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Because this root 2 to the power 4 gives you 4. So the fourth root of 4 is root 2. But it can be plus minus both. Got it? Yeah? Okay. So r equals what? plus minus 1 by root 2. Now once you get the value of r, you can also find what is the value of a. Let's put it in any equation. Okay, so I'll put it in this equation. Oh wait. Yeah, so I will write when r equals plus 1 upon root 2. So your 3 is equals to a into, oh fine, plus minus both will work out. Plus minus 1 upon root 2 whole square. So it will be what? 3 equals a into 1 upon 2, because even if it is plus or minus, the answer will be 1 upon 2 only. Right? Plus into plus is plus and minus into minus is also plus. So that's why you will get 1 upon 2 only as the answer, and finally you get the value of a as. Once you get the first term and you get the ratio, you can find any term now. Now what you need to find? The nth term. Un equals ar raised to n minus 1. What is a? 6. What is r? Plus minus 1 by root 2. And what is n? N minus 1 only. So this is what your nth term. Got it? Yeah? Fine then. Clear, no? So fine, then we are done over here for the class. You want any other revision lecture for any other topic you want, then please tell me, then we'll be conducting accordingly.